Alright, this is 6 Snacks by Ctwoafiveb or something, I believe. This is their RAMP2025 submission. Holy, that's cool. Wow, alright. Let's go back for that shortly. So, 397 monsters, 6 secrets. Looks like you're being punished for going back, which is funny. No automat by the looks either. Alright, well, let's get this shotgun and then deal with that. Very busy room here. I do like it. Lots of craziness going on all over the place. Here, platforms going up and down. There's all sorts of pillars and tiles and boxes and things to pick up. There's a very nasty trap right here. Very cool. I like it. Because the secret behind the starter door has become such a trope lately, and it's kind of nice to to subvert that expectation a little bit. It wasn't even a secret. There you go. Okay. So many things to look at. So many directions to go. Very chaotic. To go from sort of tech-based style into that sort of hellish thing. Just wanted to pick this up. And thought I found a soft block for a second there, but no, we're all good. It's an interesting doorway. It's metal bars, looks like they've been blown open or something here. Ways we can go by the looks. Alright, blue door. Let's go up the left. Right, no automat. That's going to throw me off for a little bit. Alrighty, let's open our blue door. Nice little monster blizzard. And a full strength Baron. I usually try to avoid Barons until after at least gifting somebody a super shotgun. Just because they're so meaty, takes a while to bring them down. I do want to run into here. Doesn't look like there's anything there. I keep going back to the automat, but it's empty. Exit. Surely that's the real exit and not a trick, right? This is nice. Interesting carpet texture. Okay. This has gotten a bit more abstract. Doom the game. Cube down. Experience art. Pseudometry. Big brawl. Dark. Play. Water. And a bunch of keys needed. Nice. Okay, let's go. Experience art. I like it. We've got some Half-Life. Not sure what that one is. This one's vaguely familiar to me, but I don't know why. Oh, this is cool. Very cool. I feel like there's probably going to be a secret behind one of them, but ooh, interesting. Maybe no secrets. Maybe it's just art. Thank you. Cube down. Ah, nice. Look at this. Together. Some ammo would be good. There we go. Might have to do a leap from up there. Very, very full maps. Like, oh, there's a lot of imps somewhere. Yeah, very, very full map. Very, you know, filled in with everything. So many things to find and explore and grab that I'm sort of not sure where to even start. Here we go. Imps have been unleashed now. But we'll give it this. It's a perfect tool to handle that. Fun if you had the time and energy to cubify some of the monsters and add them into this section. This was a mistake, wasn't it? Alright. How do we get this? How do we get all of this? I wonder. Aha! That's how. Bit of platforming. Very good. Let's go. Tsunometry. I think I said that wrong last time. Nice. Let's save. Yeah. Goodbye. Wow. Well, that was fun. Big brawl I'll do last because it's probably going to be the most hectic one. Dark Blade Water. Ooh, super shotgun. Alright, this doesn't hurt. We just blocked off. What is that? Ooh, transparent Cacodemon. Interesting structures here. There's our key. Doesn't seem to have triggered anything nasty, which is good, I suppose. Just checking to see if there's any drops here that might be soft locks. Maybe in here. Doesn't look like it. Alright, I think we're good. a little bit of an oddity there. Probably to do with the, I assume there's a portal or something going on here. Yeah, so this is becomes apparent up above there. Not sure if there's too much you can do about that, unless you like hit it with a sector in front of it or something. So Big Brawl is all that's left. Let's do it. Alright. Yes. Okay. Let's go in. Thanks. Enough cells. Looks like it would be deceptively easy. As it says, it's a big brawl. Everybody's having a fight. Don't think we need to do much at all. Nothing too scary there. This way is the way out, I think. So now we have all the keys. We missed a whole bunch of secrets, but that's okay. Ooh. Fancy. What's over here? Oh, okay. Interesting. Alright. Oh, I like this. I really like this sort of stenciled in switch. Very cool. That was fun. I like it as a little bit of a taste test of a bunch of different styles and themes and atmospheres. Yeah, really cool. Didn't see much in the way of issues. Maybe just that one line portal is a little bit janky, but like I said, I don't think there's too much you can do about it. Yeah, I liked it.